those air into the fire to make the coals hotter. And if you got enough time or see something done, I'll make an ESSA so you can see how that's done.
Do you make stuff like swords here too?
Usually not here.
So how does it work?
I want a sword.
Well, you blow air into the fire to make the coals hotter. The fuel here is coal. Bitumen is coal.
So what does the fire do to the steel?
Heats it up, makes it soft.
So that you can bend it?
Yep. The fire gets up to about 3,000 degrees. The steel will usually work it somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 degrees. Heat it up that hot and it's soft, more malleable.
Have you ever gotten burned?
Many times. You cannot play with fire without getting burned.
Except for not 2 years. How often does it happen?
Depends on how good you are. In the beginning, you burn yourself a lot. Nowadays, not so much.
Learning from experience.
Learning from experience. Well, that you just get tired of getting burned. First thing you're going to do is draw it down to a point. A little detail decoration on it. Draw it down square. Down there, round it up a bit. Start pointing in the corner. Like that.
Oh.
Now, so nobody hooks themselves on our little hook here. Put a little decorative pigtail twist in it. Curl.
Alright, cool.
And a bending jig.
The technical term, what's that gonna do?
Bending jig.
Ah, bending jig.
Bending jig. Could be a thingamajig. What you would call it, thingamabob. Doohickey. My favorite is the doohickey. I like to
Did
work-
you make all these by hand?
Yes.
Woo!
Wow.
What do they do?
How long have you been doing this?
About 13, 14 years now.
Did it take a while to learn and get good at it?
You can learn about everything you need to know about it in maybe about a week. It's gonna take you a lifetime to actually be able to really learn how to do it. There's a little pigtail. Pull that down just a smidgen. Thingamajig.
If we use this as like our cooking video,
One half of an ESSA.
did you make these?
Around. Yep.
Oh my
Do the
god.
same thing.
And you have to do the same thing to the other side?
Mm-hmm.